Hello beautiful gluebookers. I've collected so many travel photos over the years, places I've been, places I still want to go, and they've been sitting in a folder. When I found this travel journal at the thrift store for just 75 cents, I realized it might be the perfect home for all of them. So today I'm beginning the first part of this travel gluebook journey. I am Deborah, welcome back to the Collage table. This book used to be a travel journal with a few photos and fill-in pages, and now I'm turning it into a collage book with places I've been and places I dream about. Here you see this was one of the photos that was already in the book, and then here this is a fill-in page with prompts to journal about your travels. Look, I've already prepped most of the backgrounds and gathered images to use, so we can jump right into the first spreads. This page you might recognize, and this one too, from my video on how to use washi tape in your glue books. Here, these backgrounds I've added. This is the bridge in Rotterdam. I've learned to love that city. Amsterdam girly here. If you know, you know. It's like New York and Boston. So, just flipping through now. So far this book hasn't come easy to me to work on, deciding what it would be. Only places I've been to, or also those I dream about visiting. And I'm going front to back to front, the middle. I'm kind of all over the place with adding the backgrounds and thinking about what goes where. So I think I should just make this video, get started on a gluing session and see where it goes. I do think this book has potential. Not sure if the spreads all will be hyper focused on one city or country. Some will be multiple places together or just about travel in general. Okay, let's get to the beginning of the book and do some work. So the opening spread, let's see what I have here. I have a few images pre-selected. Let's start with the larger images. I like these. I can use a few of them. And then this Dutch windmill is a cutout, and this bird and a stamp. Okay, it's a start. Let's play and see what goes where. I want this on the other side, so move all these. See that little area in the corner of the image? I want to cover that, so like this, I can cover it with this other image, and then the stamp would fit here, perfect. Now it needs something less angular, like the windmill. It's too large, so maybe the bird. And then on this side, something like this. I think maybe it's a little busy, so what about this? Okay, the photo is a bit large, so let's bring back this one. I like the beach, I think that's better. Now, do I need to add something? So, this is one of my tins with small cutout images. I can pull things from here while I work on the spreads. You see? So lots of goodies in here. But first, I need this, my glue page. And let's start gluing this one. The glue page keeps my table and my fingers mostly glue free. Yes, this feels good. Gluing down images, making a start. A glue spread is especially handy with these organic shaped cutouts. Look, otherwise the glue would get all over my fingers. But now just put it down like this. Add the glue all over. You see, like so. And no sticky fingers. So the windmill goes here, and yes, there are windmills in the Netherlands, but no, not that many anymore. So these are here, and then let's move on to the other side. Going forward in this video, I will edit out some of the gluing, so you don't have to wait and watch me glue each image. That would make for a very boring video. So now this is glued. These two and the bird, I wanted it down below, but now I'm thinking maybe here. It looks nice, and then I can find something else to add on the bottom. Yes, I like that. Let's turn the page and see what we've got. Okay, the title page and just a few images. So she might go here under the title, Fernway, the longing for unknown places. Okay, I'll figure that out next time. Let's find another spread that I can work on today. For this one I need to find another background for here, but this image will go on this side. Let me just do that right now. It's all part of making progress in this book. Yes, beautiful. Look at that. Okay, and the blue van looks nice right here, but I don't think I want to cover the name of the square, San Marco Square. I will have to wait till there's a background on the left. And then here I just have this bus. This is a spread from the washi tape video. I have this outline map of the Netherlands. Let me just quickly glue it. Like so. And then where shall I put it? Yeah, right here. I like that. And then you already saw her, probably. I have her. She can walk onto the bridge or maybe in the middle. Yes, I think I like that better. So let's glue her on right here on top of the bridge. Yes, I do want to add something more on this spread, but that's for next time. This one I really like, but I only have this globe to add, so I will figure that out later also. Moving along, I've added the backgrounds here. This is the Erasmus Bridge in Rotterdam and the yellow caps in New York. Switch those around for the better balance. And then, okay, before I glue, let me add a clip here to make work easier. I got these clips from my best friend. She prettified regular bull clips with Indonesian batik fabric. So beautiful. Now the pages stay flat. And then this one, it's like thick cardstock right here. Okay, let's see if I have something else to add. What about the green bird? I think it could work. Let's see, or maybe her. No, but it would be nice to have someone on the page. Do I have anyone that would fit? Maybe. Let's see. What about this one? That looks cool. And then this. No, let's see. Anything else? Hey, look. I like her a lot, but probably not for this spread. Anything? Oh, she, or maybe her. She might balance here. Okay, maybe, but not sure about it. So the bird, well, how would it go? Like so? Or shall I just use this one, the butterfly bug? Yes, I do like that one on here, but not sure where it will go yet. For now, let's move along to the next spread and see what we got to work with there. Look, I really like these two backgrounds together. And then I have this green, what is it, a rickshaw? It looks like it. And an old Havana sign. Let's see where this goes. Maybe here. It's a bit busy with the background. It's getting lost there. So I think it's better on this side. Okay, let's put the clip back on. Yes, that's better. And now I can glue this in place. Yes, I like it. And then this one goes here. Perfect. I do think it needs something else. Maybe some color. From her. No. Oh, hey. She could fit. It's not a pop of color, but still. Here. Okay, here on the boat part. I think I will put her there. It's always about finding that balance on the spread, and I think she should go there. Yes. Look, that's telling some sort of a story. I don't know what yet. Okay, these are some extra images. The birdcage, maybe here. Postage stamp. Somewhere else. This one, I like it, but it's too large. The bottle. Yes. Okay, that looks perfect there. Okay, this is it. Let's glue these pieces down. There you go, right there. Yes. And then the bottle of Merlot goes there. I'm happy with this. Yes, now this is good. Time to move on to the next. It's pretty. Oh, I need to find another background to go here on the left, and then I will work on the spread another time. Here I have a left background and an image from the book itself. Maybe I can add this larger image here. Color wise it would fit nicely, and then maybe this little pop of color. Okay, I like where this is going. I'll glue them next time. This is a pinkish spread. Maybe she can go here. What do you think? Maybe here? Okay, let's figure this out. Put a clip on. And then let's start by cutting these white bits off. I usually wait to trim these small parts until I'm ready to glue, so the image doesn't damage while it's stored in my stash. So, like so. See? This will look better. There you go, but where do I want her? Here? Okay, probably. And then I also, let's see, I still have this bird, so maybe change of plans. I gotta cut this off. Okay, ta-da. I do think I like the green against the all pink better here. So let's see what else I can add. The sticker maybe here. Maybe, oh, Saturn. Yes, travel to Saturn, that looks cool. This, a book cover on cabins. Right here, yes. And then this, no. This, no. The rose, maybe. No. Okay, what about her? Can she go on this spread? Maybe. I think she looks better than the other ones on this spread. So, okay, let's try and find what feels right. I think something like this. Saturn for sure, so let's glue that on. Right there in the sky. Yes, love that. And then the cabins. And she finally found her place in the book, so happy about that. Now for the bird, I think like so. Yeah. Okay, maybe just a little bit more like this right here. It's minimal, but it could bother me if I don't adjust it. Okay, done. So the clip can come off. And on to the next. Oh, here. Also from the washi tape video. The Borobudur spread. Look. So beautiful. I've been there years ago and now I have these images. This is the map of Java and Bali, two of the main Indonesian islands. Look, this is where I walked. Incredible. Okay, but how am I going to do this? I want to make some sort of an insert here. So maybe like so, the largest images on the outside, and then glue them together, washi tape them in the middle. Okay, I gotta think about it and figure it out for the next session. This is another New York page. The quote comes from the book itself. Maybe she wants to go here. Okay, later, let's just move along from here. This, very pretty, Lisbon. It's on my wish list. These are from the book. But maybe the rose can go here. I have nothing pre-selected, so let's just go. And then this is another one I have to find a background for still. This, I did the prep, Tokyo. But not really much to play with here today. I have this space on the right here. I could add maybe this chocolate bar. Okay, maybe. Moving on. Not playing here today either. Okay, this needs a background. This one I worked on with the washi tape. I just have this little sticker here right now. So let's just quickly put that on somewhere. Okay, I think here. Yes, this looks good. More for the next time. Here we go. This, oh, so pretty. I have these two images. Which one will go on the right here? Yes, this or this one. I think maybe this. Yes. And then with one or two more organically shaped images around it. Maybe the rose. Okay, not sure yet. Let's put the clip on to keep the page flat. I need it. There we go. That's better. Okay, I'm putting the rose down. I do like how it looks here. And then I would like to add a person on the spread. So let's see which ones do I have here. I have these two friends. Do they want to go to the lake? Maybe there. No, they're too big. What about her? Maybe. Hey, look at this. The adventure begins. Perfect. Not sure where yet. Okay, her or her. Oh yes, she will go and do her yoga near the lake. Maybe right in the middle. Like here or here. Yes, I want her to go right there. And then the mug can go there on the right side. Oh yes, I like where this is going. Let me know which page is your favorite so far. I love hearing what stands out to you. So let me put her a little lower. She goes so well on this spread. Okay, shall we move on? Oh wait, what about this sticker here? No. Okay, moving on. Let's see. This is another one of the washi tape video. Oh, wait, let's see. I could add her. I love how she's not so non-typical looking Dutch girl in a very typical traditional clothing. And I think she goes well on this page. I had a larger image of her as well. I used that in another book before. If I remember which one, I will link it here. I have made too many glue books to remember every image inside them. Okay, Amsterdam, my birthplace and hometown for a large part of my life. This image is from the book itself. Venice is like eating an entire box of chocolate liqueurs. I have not decided yet if adding images of Venice here is too corny, but I have them, so I'll think about it. Here, a large Ferris wheel in Dusseldorf and the Luna Park in Melbourne. Palm trees and a beach. What's not to love? I think this is the perfect spread for my Indonesian wayang puppet, probably on this side. I have to cut the white bits here and then I can just glue it down. Yes, let me do that now. Okay, the clip must go on. Here we go. I think right here. Okay, yes, this is a good start for this spread. I like it. So let me just quickly check my tin and see if I have anything else I can add here today. What's in there? Maybe this, what is it, a mouse? No, these? They're just decorative. What about this stamp? Yes, I think yes. And then maybe, let's see, maybe her. Yes, I think she wants to go on the page here. Maybe, let's see, maybe she doesn't want to go there, but on the top. Where is the balance? Okay, I'll decide on the next session. Let's check out the next spread. I added the brick background and the image on the right. Now I still have this one to go here and this little sunset. How will they go? Just moving this around, trying to see it. I think this one should go here on the bottom corner. Yes, like so, right here. And then this little one here, or maybe not on this spread here. Okay, flipping through, another New York one with a quote from the book. I have this white image of the Statue of Liberty. I might put it here in the middle and find something to put on the back. See, look at these colorful mosaics by Gaudí in Barcelona. Here I have this old car and some Amsterdam images. Okay, let me just flip and preview what's still to come. Check out my glue booking playlist if you want to keep watching me work in my glue books like this. For now, thank you so much for spending a little time with me today. Take care of yourself, and if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Till next time, bye.